Today, we will discuss how to capture dance's beauty and movement in Impressionist photography. For centuries, dance has been celebrated as a timeless art form that transcends cultures and captivates the human spirit. It's no wonder photographers have been drawn to its beauty and grace throughout history. However, when it comes to capturing the true essence of dance, there is a certain magic that only Impressionist photography can convey. Impressionist photography uses creative techniques to capture movement and fluidity to evoke a dreamlike quality. The result is a beautiful, ethereal image that captures the grace and beauty of dance. Imagine a couple gliding across the dance floor, their movements perfectly synchronized as they execute intricate steps and turns. With Impressionist photography, the motion of their bodies can be captured in a way that blurs the lines between reality and art, resulting in a dreamlike, enchanting image. The beauty of the dance is conveyed through the image's softness and delicacy, emphasizing the performer's grace and elegance. Capturing the fluidity and grace of a dancer's movements can be daunting for any photographer. Yet employing a slow shutter speed can produce mesmerizing motion blur that imbues your Impressionist photographs with electrifying sense of energy and dynamism. Just imagine a couple dancing a passionate tango, twirling across the floor, and you capture their movements as graceful curves of light, creating a spellbinding and romantic image that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Using a slow shutter speed creates dynamic and energetic images, allowing for experimentation and creative expression. You can experiment with different shutter speed to create different effects, from subtle blurs to dramatic streaks of light. This can add a sense of playfulness and experimentation to your photography as you try to capture the perfect combination of movement and stillness. One of the most significant advantages of Impressionist photography is its ability to allow photographers to be more creative and expressive. Rather than simply capturing a moment, Impressionist photography allows you to infuse your vision and creativity into the image, making it a true reflection of your emotions and experiences. When photographing dancers, it's all about capturing the fluidity and grace of their movement, and using color, it's a powerful tool to enhance this. By playing with bold and vibrant hues, you can create an image that leaps off the page and captures the viewer's attention. Imagine a photograph of ballerina in a bright red tutu, leaping gracefully through the air against a dark backdrop. The combination of these contrasting colors creates a sense of dynamic energy and movement within the image that it's both captivating and mesmerizing. Similarly, by using color gradients, you can create an image that seems to ripple and flow like the movement of a dancer. Look at a photograph of a ballet dancer with her body bathed in a gradient of warm oranges and yellows as she twists and turns with effortless fluidity. But color isn't just about creating visual impact. It can also evoke a range of emotion and moods in an image. Imagine a photograph of a lone dancer against a moody, dark background, with the only source of light being soft and muted. Cool colors create a sense of calm and melancholy, conveying a sense of introspection and solitude. Another important element to consider when photographing dancers is light. Different lighting techniques can dramatically change the mood and feel of a photograph, creating a sense of drama or emotion. For example, backlighting can create a stunning silhouette effect, while side lighting can highlight the dancer's form and movement. Try to experiment with different lighting setups to find the perfect balance of light and shadow to create an image that truly captures the beauty of a dance. Finally, don't be afraid to try out new and unexpected techniques when photographing dancers. For example, a double exposure can combine multiple images to create a unique and artistic effect. These techniques can help create truly unique and unexpected images, capturing the beauty and emotion of the dance in a new and exciting way. When photographing dancers, experiment with different angles, lighting, and techniques to capture the beauty and movement of their bodies in unique and unexpected ways. And each photograph will capture not only the dancer's movement, but also the moment's mood and emotion, conveying a sense of the energy and excitement of the dance. Ready to capture the beauty and fluidity of the dance in your own Impressionist photographs? Grab your camera and experiment with slow shutter speeds, vibrant colors, and unique lighting techniques. Share your results in our Facebook group. I put the link in the description below. That concludes our discussion for today. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to see you next time.